They want to kill the state governor.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have another one to share with you. Hey, progress the analyst will not stop. Oh. Hey, today it is happening live. Port Harcourt is on fire as I am talking with you. A lot is going on. But before we go further, I want you to listen to what is happening. Then you have an insight. And I'll be right back.
This is the people's governor.
Just let's leave it back. Let's leave it back. Let's leave it back. Okay. Let's leave it back.
We are resolute. We are determined. Yes.
We're here.
You cannot intimidate the city governor.
Please. Decorum. Come down. Okay, I'm ready. Your Excellency, you can see the carnage these people have done here. So.
Let me say the good people of Rivers State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
So I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we used taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security agencies even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me. They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I want to die with you.
I want to die. When people hear Fubara, they say, who is this Fubara? Is that man that was killed one time for a struggle? That is what I want to be.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody.
Yes.
But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish.
Yes.
Purely rubbish. Yes. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. Yes. The first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action for our good people of River State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me. About 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information distressing very late yesterday. I said this morning I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes. So it is clear. I know that.
For any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we use taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security agencies even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me.
Yes, sir. I saw it. Only tear gas to the governor.
They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. It's a pity. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I am ready to die with you.
I want to die when people hear
Fubara. They say, who is this Fubara? Is that's
our hero.
was killed one time for a struggle.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody. But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. Savannah! Person that should come, declare the place, and create an authentic people. I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me. God will save us.
Amen. The person you just listening to right now is the sitting governor of Port Harcourt, that is Rivers State. A lot is happening right now, my wonderful people. According to the story, you guys know that Wike is enjoying himself right and direct Abuja connection, and still Wike and Rivers State na 5 and 6. He don't really want to let go. He is still in control of everything that is happening there. You guys know that these people, they love godfatherism. Anybody that want to become a governor, senator, what have you, name it, you must have a godfather. That is the way they normally run their politics. And at the end of the day, they will keep on crying back and say, oh, this is that, when they know the truth, but they don't really want to hit on the truth. Do you know that the time of Peter Obi and Atiku, this election of 18 that they are running up and down, and today, everybody is now keeping quiet as if nothing happened. Don't you know that Peter Obi is aware that he's not going to be the president of Nigeria? For how long will you shy away from the truth? The truth is staring at you, and you are pretending as if you are not seeing what is happening. They should know quite all right that the presidency can never go to the southeast. Maybe later, but not now. But they just form blind ears and blind and deaf and dumb, as if they don't know that it's not going to be possible. And what happened last? With all the evidence brought to the court said, oh, you are bringing this evidence, is too late. Believe me, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will also be running the next tenure. That is another 4 years, making it 8 years. Then if Peter Obi will want to still become Nigeria president, or Atiku, is left for dead then. So this is the way the country is run. Why are you pretending as if you don't know anything? Why is it that you want Progress, the analyst, to be telling you all this? Peter Obi is very sure that he will never be Nigeria president. He is just trying his power, and the youth, they are not truthful. Even some parts of Yorubas, those Yoruba people, they knew that it's not going to work, and there is a lot of mago. But being that President Tinubu is their brother, what did you expect? When they are telling them that you are a second-class citizen, they don't want to accept it. When people are telling them that there is nothing that will come out for this election, they thought they are joking. Now they are not pleading with you. Oh, go and get your PVC. You know the slogan as usual, but we are here watching. Last, you people will still come and say, oh, I wish I know. I would have not gone and look for PVC. Now they are telling you, go and look for your PVC and start preparing ground. Peter Obi is coming again. Come on, come out of this. For how long? Why will somebody deceive you when you know that the next 4 years, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is still going for another 4 years, making it 8 years. Someone is still trying to deceive you again. We have not come to that conclusion until we start telling ourselves the truth and stand up for what we want or what we really hope for. It will be so difficult. So my beloved family, this thing now is happening live and direct. Port Harcourt is not far from your backyard. So I am telling you that these people, APC, they are still in control. You see the way the country is running, they are running the country today. All the youth now, they are now sleeping because court said Peter Obi can never be the president. His evidence are delayed. His evidence are too late. They cannot do anything. And everybody is quiet. silent as if nothing happened. So why now we want to raise dust? We never reach that level. So my beloved family, I said, let me share this video for you so you know exactly what is going on. Men is outside saying they are fighting for what governor, no matter what, they are standing with the governor. Wike cannot do anything, blah blah blah. The Ijaw youth are saying that they are not scared, they are not afraid, of Wike. But believe me, a lot of them go by. At the end of the day, these politicians, they will go and make peace. So tell me, if your brother, your sister turn RIP for this kind matter, who lose? Now you lose. Nigeria youth, make una wise. So please do well to share this video. As you can see, even the uniform men, they are compromised already according to the background voice. I don't want to release the voice because it's so it's so busy. If you hear what is coming out from their mouth, I think you can watch it. And the background also, there's a lot of ta happening, of which I just decided to silence the voice. So my beloved family, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.